is an organization that aims at creating a sensitivity among students which enables them to become good human beings, making meaningful contributions to their own lives and to the society around them.
I have the great pleasure of leading the team that designs the learning experiences that we offer to children who come to Stones to Milestones programs. One of our fundamentally driving questions has been, people ask us, we ask ourselves, what do children learn here? What they learn here is to know what to do when they don't know what to do. It could be as simple as reading 3 paragraphs in a text and not understanding. A child having undergone this program would have that edge. He may not understand everything, but he'd know what to do in order to understand it. He would have strategies, he would have tools, he would have skills. He would ask simple questions. Can I read the text again? Can I take a guess? Maybe I can ask someone, maybe look up a dictionary. Maybe I can read some little more, maybe I can make connections. Skills are a very strong part of it, but the program is about inquiry. The program is about approach. The program is about a reverence for learning. There are spaces in the program where articulation happens, where children share their learning journeys and they learn from each other. So the journey becomes the focus, not the arrival. The process becomes the focus, not the product. And the joy becomes the focus, not the achievement.
Wings of Words reading program teaches children how to read through a combination of skills and some meaningful literature. It also focuses on creating joy of literature, the joy of reading books, the joy of looking at the illustrations and making meaning out of it. It's the joy of immersing yourself into stories and the characters, making deeper connections to your personal lives.
Words have tremendous power. They teach, they love, they inspire, they help you explore yourselves and your own potential. Wings of Words opens the door to this vast world which will enable your child to explore his or her own full potential.
iMinds is a program which is focused on developing learning processes in children. Through units and projects, children learn how to learn. Children learn how to observe, how to experiment, how to do research, how to talk to experts, and basically how to become independent learners.
Children are innately very creative, and somewhere down the line, as they grow older, their creativity is destroyed because of lack of space for expression. The objective was basically to help children think laterally, creatively and critically and communicate. What the program does is so much more than this. It offers them many tangibles which are very evident when children go home and apply their new learning to their work. It does tremendous benefit to children who are underconfident, who are shy and introvert. I have seen a complete turnaround in the personalities of such children. For me as a teacher, it has been a huge learning experience. I think I have gained far more from the program than what my students would have.
My daughter enjoys a lot over here, and this is the only class which she doesn't want to leave.
Okay.
And the creativity increases day by day, and reading, of course, reading improved a lot. There are many points, such as they have taken poetry. Even I don't know what type of poetries are there, but when she learned, even I learned that. And he used to feel very secure coming here, opening his thoughts. He knew that in this class nobody will laugh at if he says something abrupt. He can express his thoughts, he can put them into words, he can put it into drawing.
our foremost focus is to take best practices to all, to create a balance between highly customized, resource-intensive approach and a flat standardized approach.